Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to do chair yoga poses for lower back, and this is very beneficial for all my working people who spend lots and many hours sitting on their chair. So you don't have to do anything, get the mat or anything extra to work on your lower back pain, but you can just do it sitting on the chair. Okay, so when you're doing this, make sure you have a sturdy chair, not with the wheels, which will move when you do your stretches. Or even if you have it, make sure that it is not too much sliding and you are steady. Okay, so first let's just do the little bit loosening of upper back, upper body, and then we will go for the lower back stretches. So here just simple neck and shoulder loosening. So inhale, just look up, exhale down. Now everything is connected, upper back, lower back, so it's not exactly isolating, but when we work holistically, everything helps in union. Okay, inhale and exhale. Last round, inhale and exhale and relax. Now you hold the side of the chair and with your right palm press your head on your right shoulder. Hold 5. Feel that nice stretch on your left side of neck muscles. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Change and hold 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, relax. Now you can bring your palms on your shoulder, shoulder rotation. Okay, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now from back 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now next we are going to do spine loosening, and spine loosening, it's like a cat and cow breathing, which we do it on the mat. Very effective to loosen up your whole spine and make it flexible. So let me show you from this side. So here you can sit a little forward, edge of the chair. Bring your palms on your knees. Now as you exhale, round your back, bring your chin to chest. Inhale, arch, push your chest forward, look up. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Last round, exhale and hold. Feel that nice stimulation in your whole spine. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, arch and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, come to center, relax. Now next one, just bring your right foot on your left hand. Okay, and first loosen up your hip joint. If you can't bring it all the way up, try your best as much as you can, or you can just keep it on down on the chair as well. Okay. And now after about 5 to 10 rounds of loosening, what you can do is bring your right palm on your right knee, left palm on your right foot. Push the elbows to the side, not slouching your back, but keeping your back straight and just leaning forward, bringing your chest towards your right leg. Okay, hold 5 and feel that nice stretch on your hips. As you open up your hip, your lower back also helps to release the pain or tightness. Hold 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, from left and loosen up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, and just fold forward. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, come to center and relax. Now let's do the side stretch. Now this lateral extension really helps to open our oblique muscles, the lower back muscles, QL muscles. Again, sitting, slouching, those muscles become tight and short. so really helps for the extension. So hold your chair on the left and raise your right arm up and just bend on your left and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, come to center, inhale and exhale, bend on your right and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Now next stretch is very beneficial, very good for whole spine, especially for your lower back. So I'll turn on the side. Now you sit keeping your feet flat on the floor, okay, and twist on your left and bring your left palm on the back of the chair. Your right palm hold your left knee, keep your shoulders stretched straight and just twist and look over your left shoulder, okay, hold. Even if you can reach, you can hold the side of the chair and just twist. So your hips are facing forward, we're just twisting from spine and hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now you can see from the back now, the other side, and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, relax. Now you can really come front of the edge of the chair and here roll your shoulders, interlock your fingers. So this not only works on your lower back as well as your upper back. Okay, so roll your shoulders, drop your arms down and push your chest forward. Okay, look up. Now inhale center, exhale keeping your balance, fold forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, you can go for about 5 rounds. Let's hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now exhale, fold forward and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Good. Come to center, relax. Relax. Now another stretch, and a very good stretch, is you hold the side of the chair. Okay, again make sure in this pose basically especially your chair is sturdy and properly grounded. Okay, keep your chest forward, not slouching. Again, back straight. Inhale, ground your feet and exhale, fold forward. Okay, so make sure it is not, yeah, my chair is moving, so make sure your chair is not moving. So sit straight and hold. Now according to your flexibility, you can even stretch your arms up and hold your hold. Look forward, not rounding and dropping your head. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, relax. Now you can do another stretch standing. Again, make sure your chair is not moving and steady. Now just walk back, bring your head in between your arms and just stay here, pushing your hips back. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, I hope this stretches will help you. Quick stretches you can add if you're doing anything in your routine, or these stretches are good enough. So keep your back healthy. Your back will give you back and support. So take care of your back. Do these stretches regularly and you will feel the change in your energy level, in your posture also. So look good, feel good, be healthy and happy. And again, stay tuned for my next video. If you liked my video, or if you felt it is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.